Hi everybody, this video is going to be the review video for week 3, statistics 13.1 through 13.3. First, let's talk about sampling. Remember, when sampling, statistics is just the data collection and analysis. It's the investigation into those numbers. It's used by farmers, city planners, advertising companies, even manufacturers and inventors. When looking at sampling, remember that questions must produce a variability. You must have multiple answers. If you have a singular answer, it's not going to be a good question for statistics. Remember that population is the group being studied. And within that group being studied, we're going to pull a sample of those members of that group chosen at random. It has to be at random. If it's not a good study. Remember that when we're looking at a sample, when we say members, we're not just talking people. This could be dogs or cats or the types of rocks or different medicines. Whatever we're sampling, it's that group. All right, so for 13.2, central tendency, you have mean, median, and mode. Remember that mean is the average. You take all of your numbers, add them up, and divide by the total numbers that you have. If you had 10 numbers to add up, you would divide by 10. That number would then be your average or your mean. The median is the middle of your data when you place all those numbers in numerical order. If you have 2 numbers in the middle, you add both of those up and divide by 2, and that will be your median. Mode is the most number, or the number that appears the most. You can have more than one number actually to be the mode. Measures of the spread. Remember that measures of the spread include the range. Okay, we're talking about the range of data. Your maximum to your minimum. The range, the way this works is you would take your max number minus the minimum number. That equals your range. Okay? The mean is the best representation of the data because it includes all of your data points. But you must watch out for outliers because those, depending on how egregious they are, can throw the data off. So sometimes when we're looking at mean and looking at the best representation of the data, we have to throw those out. Lastly, we got dot plots. Remember, dot plots are a way to show data visually. It helps you to quickly pick out mean, median, and mode. I wish you best of luck on the quizzes and the quiz. If you have any questions, please let us know. Shoot us an email. We will get back to you. It may take a minute, but just give us a minute and we'll get back to you, okay? Try your best. Worst case scenario, refer back to your notes and the slideshows. Hope you guys are doing well and hope to see you soon.